I've been fortunate enough to attend 3 user conferences, and I actually enjoy the networking opportunities that there are, and also the opportunities to hear how other companies are using similar modules, and also learning about new modules that are going to be launched in the future.
Well, this is my second user conference, and it's great to see all the different things. A lot of the stuff we don't use, maybe stuff we could use. But I feel the most value is that you're seeing the faces that you're dealing with on a daily basis, and you could start that dialogue, communication, and try to sort through maybe issues you have. And there's something about being in person that makes it a lot better than just being on the phone. That human part of it. And I think that's the most benefit we get is you build more of the relationship that you have with your vendor. And I think that's where the value comes out of the conference.
The ProcessMAP user conferences are always wonderful. This is my 3rd user conference that I've been to. My management team sees value in continuing to send me back, which I'm very grateful for, because one of the best tangible benefits I get from these conferences, besides just getting to hang out with my team, get to know them a little bit more, eat with them, chat with them, really be with them for a solid 3 days, is the benchmarking with other companies. We think we do a phenomenal job using our system, but there is always something that some other company is doing that we could piggyback off of. And the companies here, since we're all customers, we're all in the same boat, we're all trying to achieve the same thing, we're very open with each other and willing to help and give ideas and allow for that benchmarking and networking to occur. So that's probably my biggest benefit, the best thing I get out of these user conferences.
About the user conference, this is probably my 4th user conference, and I find it's very, very enlightening. I love to have the opportunity to speak with colleagues that do environmental health and safety or risk management and just, bounce ideas or talk about what they're doing. I also like the idea of being able to come here and to see what's coming out in the near future and actually having the opportunity to comment on that, whether it's good or bad, and just, kind of put our company's input into what it is we'd like to see at the end of the day. And I think this is a great experience. I think it's a great format for us to understand better what is out there and what might be available.
My first user conference was in 2013, and we came down right when we were implementing and rolling out, and had a good time. I learned a little bit, I would say, at that user conference, mainly because I wasn't part of the development team and rolling out the system. But I learned a little bit, but a lot of everything I learned and what I heard made a whole lot of sense whenever I got back and things were really applied. So our go live date, everything really started clicking and pulling together. And then last year we were somewhat busy, so I didn't make a huge conference last year, but this 3rd year has been a valuable experience. Really getting out there and networking with ProcessMAP, but more importantly with the other users. Getting out there and just building kind of a user community to where we network and exchange ideas and information and how others are